so much for your support, subscribe, like. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then today I'm going to work here to collect some beans. So please keep on watching. These are my beans. You can see here. This is very fruitful. Hope you can see this. All right. Wow, nice to eat this right time now. So I have to bucket. Popia se sabi na he. Kile khai se ang khabole ase aro. This is right time. For now. Oh, friends, really enjoy, yeah. First time for this year. This corn is collecting first time. I even test. Maybe khanai. First time uthai ase this year. Aro beans. So this is where I have to drop is khor malik ke dibo de to khor malik to ikun ami moige edu ki olai she dati bra tv na to khor malik ke dibo de moi bi test kora nai tai ke first test koribole dibo kele mani tai hi malik ase na moi to ki korile bi khabole ase bichi de to na aro tahan bi ni dibi to namangi na Levi tahan muhan giman bahal jakade thakibole dise so why not I always used to share first part from my side what I'm doing aro tahan bi hop khushi pabo tahan khushi paile he moi ge aro khushi ra thakibole dibo to na so give and take. Yes. So moi ki kam korise tadi pratahan bi khabi aro khushi koribi and healthy thakibi and I'm healthy too. So friends, organic. Okay, this is a very organic. I didn't put here even drop of medicine. Okay, so this is very good for health, I think, and I also learned organic khado bishi healthy hoy aro bishi iku side effect na thake to by the grace of God and the guy ase iku achita ke iku bimar hoa nai iman gure ase na and then lastly I want to request those who are near those who are any subscriber from my house area, please comment me, then I will drop you because I'm not remembering the right time now. So if after all is finished, if I think that I'm so sorry that I didn't give and I didn't share to any one of my friends, so this is the way you comment me, then I will remember and drop you because around my house I'm always done, I think. But if there's any one I left, please comment me. I'm ready to give you like this. Before I test, I will give you first. So please, if you don't mind, comment me, and directly you can ask too. I'm always ready to give you and share you. And thank you so much for watching this video, and keep on support and share my videos, please. I hope you love me too, and I love you too.